This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a study table at home. First, gather all your necessary tools and materials. You will need a saw, a drill, screws, wood glue, and sandpaper. Choose a sturdy wood like plywood or pine for the tabletop and legs. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection throughout the entire building process. Having everything ready makes the project much smoother. Now, let's move on to cutting and joining your wood pieces. Carefully measure and mark your wood according to your design, then make precise cuts. For example, a common tabletop size is 24 inches by 48 inches. Drill pilot holes before driving screws to prevent the wood from splitting. Apply a thin layer of wood glue to all connecting surfaces for a strong, lasting bond. With the main structure assembled, it's time for sanding and finishing. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper, like 80 grit, and gradually move to finer grits, such as 220 grit, for a super smooth surface. This step is crucial for a professional look. Next, apply your chosen wood stain or paint. Remember to let each coat dry completely before applying the next one. Finally, personalize your study table to fit your needs. You might add small drawers for supplies or a shelf underneath for books. Consider attaching casters to the legs if you want to easily move your table around your room. Regular cleaning and occasional resealing will keep your table looking great for years. Also, be sure to check the description for a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.